Welcome to the Tech Insights podcast, where we explore the latest in tech innovation and development. I'm your host, and today we're diving into an exciting topic, a Python type checker and language server, intriguingly named TI. Now, what makes TI particularly special? It's written in Rust, which is known for its speed and efficiency. So if you're someone who's ever struggled with slow type checkers, this could be a game changer. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's set the context. The world of programming is constantly evolving, and with that evolution often comes the need for faster and more efficient tools. TI aims to fill that gap, offering a type-checking solution that's not just innovative but also in its early stages of development. This means there's a lot of potential to shape its future, and that's where the community comes in. Speaking of community, if you're passionate about contributing, there's a call to action for you. Questions, bugs, ideas, if you've got them, the team behind TI is all ears. You can report issues or suggest enhancements directly in their repository. This brings me to an interesting point: the power of collaboration in open source projects. Have you ever been part of an open source initiative? What was your experience like? Another fascinating aspect is the language choice itself, Rust. Often celebrated for its performance and safety, Rust can handle complex tasks while keeping errors to a minimum. So thinking about TI, it's clear why the developers chose Rust. It's like giving a sports car the best fuel. It just goes faster. Let's also touch on how TI is currently not ready for production use. This might sound a bit intimidating, but it's actually common in software development. Early-stage tools help developers kick the tires, so to speak, allowing for feedback and iterations before a full-scale launch. It's a journey, much like building a new habit, taking small steps before the big leap. Now, if you're someone who's curious about contributing, make sure to check out the contributing guide. This is your roadmap if you want to get involved in shaping TI. Have you ever thought about contributing to a project? What hesitations do you think stop most people from diving in? Before we wrap up, let's reflect on the importance of type checking itself. For all the non-programmers out there, think of it as a way to double-check your work before handing it in, essentially making sure that your code is as resilient and error-free as possible. This undoubtedly saves time and headaches in the long run. So to summarize, we've explored TI, the fast type checker and language server authored in Rust, the status of its development, and the exciting opportunity for the community to engage in its growth. Remember, whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting, exciting things are happening in the world of programming, and contributing to projects like TI could be your ticket into that vibrant space. And that's a wrap for today's episode. Thanks for tuning in, and keep curious. Who knows what tech insights tomorrow will bring? Until next time.